Hello there and welcome back. Today I want to share you a little code snippet that I used in one of my previous videos where I blew up my Unity project. Actually, in one of the videos, maybe you can remember, you see that I mistakenly exported and imported a script file from one of my previous projects and into my current project, and after that my script in that project is gone. And since that script is nearly 300 lines long and the restored version is about 15 lines long, and since also in addition to this I made that script also one of the main scripts in my project, which basically killed my project in my last game videos, in one of my last previous game videos. And then I figure out that I mistakenly not using source control for that project, and I've been working on that project for more than 20 to 30 days. And in addition to this, I try to look for some solutions to get my main script back. However, I do not manage to do this, and I tried the things that does my project has any source control for returning back to previous version? Does my Windows has any source control option opens, such as restoring to previous version or making a copy for that? It's a big no. And while I was crying for my project because I do not manage to, in that position, I did not manage to retrieve all of the script, I get an idea that I know a little about Python coding, and I have this idea that I recorded all of my development videos in the YouTube. So after I started to look for my YouTube videos, I'm trying to I try to detect the exact location for load the script. I find out that I had to watch all of my videos in order to retrieve that script. But since I know a little bit about Python coding, I got a workflow. Created a workflow in my mind, and which is basically like this. I just downloaded my last 5 or 6 videos, and in addition to this, I write this script, as you can see over here, which is basically here. This is the video path that I downloaded, and this is the generate images method, which is basically here, you can see. And this generate images creates frame by frame, actually extracts the frame by frame video from my frame by frame images from my video paths and into this directory, yes, this output directory. And after generate images is done, I look for a template image. This is the template image that, okay, let me show you one of my generated images. And the template image I looked for this thing because the images I look for is the ones that the load text fields section is selected, where this tab is selected. So I just crop this section and make the path over here. And after that, I started a for loop that says, okay, Python, just look for these images in all of the created image from that video and make a copy of the found images into this directory. And that's all. After running this script over my 4 or 5 videos, images that I extracted are like this. This is from the day 15, and this is from the day 17. And the day 17 videos, as you can see, it says this load text field over here, and this is the frame number. This is also the same. So, by the way, why can't I load all of this? To fit, one, with image. Okay, it looks like something is wrong opening these files. Let's set share, edit photos. So it looks like something is wrong with it. Anyway, when I run the script and when I look at the when I look at image by image, as you can see in my scene, I can only see this 15 lines of code in here from 240 to 280, and after opening these codes one by one, I managed to retrieve my load text field script in here, and that's all. By the way, I will put this script link into the description, and if anyone will use it, if anyone will ever need it, but from my perspective, I hope that you will not need it, and let's just use version control or use version control of Windows from the beginning of your project. And this is my recommendation for all of you, but in this case, yes, I managed to use my YouTube videos as my source control, so that's also another way to make a source control in a hard way. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on my one of my next project videos again. Have a nice day. Bye.